How much you think that weighs?
Maybe 20.
Let's just.
Maybe 25 pounds.
Is there a weight sticker on the box?
Should say it on lead. Should say it on lead. So.
47 pounds. That doesn't seem right.
You want to weigh it?
Yeah, let's weigh it. 25 pounds.
What did I say?
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right. So it is 25 pounds.
With the box.
With the box and all the packing material. Did you not hear that? That's what he said. Heck yeah, dude. Don't need that. Don't need that. Jeez, feel how light that is.
Holy crap.
It feels like you're just holding packaging material.
Look at that. Easy with my tips, bro.
Come on now. Okay, 0 pounds. Okay, that itself is... All right, the whole exhaust is in this box.
We want to put the clamps too?
Oh yeah, clamps too, for the sticklers. $16.5 pounds for the entire exhaust. And we know the factory exhaust is probably in the 30s, maybe more. I don't remember how much the Mark 8 one weighed, but it's probably similar. That's crazy.